Select a pair of shoes to use for insole molding. If possible, loosen shoes and remove factory inserts or insoles. Make sure to notice right or left foot on the bottom of each insole. Test fit the PowerStep Heat Moldable Insole. If the insoles are too long, use the factory insole as a guide to trim the toe area. Preheat oven to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Place insole on the middle rack with the fabric side face up and the black temperature tab facing outward. After 1 minute and 30 seconds, check the color of the temperature tab. Carefully remove the insole once the black tab turns red. Quickly place the PowerStep Heat Moldable Insole into the loosened shoe. While wearing socks, place foot in shoe and stand with knees slightly bent. Stand on the insole for 1 minute to set. Repeat with other insole.